Hi, welcome. This is Katie, and today we're going to be answering the question, what is a media kit?
Welcome to For Your Success with Katie Hornor, an inspiring program about overcoming the I'm too small mindset, redefining success, and growing your lifestyle business legacy without fear.
Welcome back to the For Your Success podcast. This is Katie Hornor, and today's episode number 47. This is our program for entrepreneurs of all ages so that you can defeat those voices in your head that tell you you can't do that. We want to remind you that you're never too old to start a business, you're never too small to grow your influence, and you're never too late to create an income or a positive lifestyle business legacy. Hi, welcome. This is Katie, and today we're going to be answering the question, what is a media kit? A lot of you have been hearing that term thrown around, and so we want to be able to get rid of any doubts that you have about what is a media kit today and when would you need one? What do you use it for? So a media kit, and I'm going to be looking at my notes over here to the side a little bit, but a media kit is technically defined as a promotional public relations tool. And so this is a way for you to highlight the benefits really of working for you. It's public relations in that it's something that you're going to be giving out potentially to potential partners or sponsors and things like that. People who want to work with you and your business in that kind of a relationship. And so this is it's a promotional tool and also sort of a public relations tool that you can use. So it generally provides a business snapshot about your company, who you are, who your people are, who you're serving, and what you can offer to the company that you're looking to partner with. So other terms you may have heard are press kit or one sheet. This is not a media kit, and so we'll talk about that in another episode what those things are. But a media kit specifically is going to be about your brand and the benefits that these other companies can find from working with your brand. All right, so why would you need a media kit? Well, a media kit shows that you are a professional. It shows that you are thinking about your business. You're thinking long term. You've thought ahead in having this information created and prepared to be able to hand to these potential partners. It gives a glimpse into your business and the power of your influence. So these people are coming to you because they have a problem. They have a product or a service that they need to get in front of people, and you have access to those people. And so your influence is a power that they are looking to tap into, and this is telling them about that influence and what you can do for them. And so it really is a good way to portray that power that you have to connect them to the people who need or will want to use their product or service. It helps your the potential partners know immediately if you can help them reach that demographic. They have already thought about who they're trying to reach. They already know the type of people and the income level and how many children they have and where they shop and how they think. They've already thought through this, and by you having a media kit that shows you've also thought through this and you know who your people are, it shows them immediately whether or not this is going to be a valuable partnership for them. It shows that you've thought about the value that you can bring to the relationship. Media kits will often have examples of ways that you have worked with other partners in the past to be able to get their product or service in front of your people. And so it shows that you've already thought about this. You know what value you bring and what you can offer them, and you're able to present that in a professional way. When would you use it? Okay, or what? Well, first of all, let's go back and talk about what goes into a media kit. What is in it? A media kit is essentially a document that is going to have your name, your blog or your website information. You want your contact information on every page of that document. You would have an intro about your site and your mission. In the Blog Connection at theblogconnection.com, we have a whole section of our training that talks about knowing your vision and your mission for your blog. And so you want to share that with these people because they don't want to partner with someone whose mission does not align with their mission. All right, and you don't want to partner with someone, for that matter, whose mission doesn't align with your mission. And so stating that right up front gets that clarified and taken care of. You want to have information about your audience demographics and psychographics, which is who they are, ages, children, income level, buying habits, things like that, as much as you can find. And you can find a lot of that from your Google Analytics. You want to have your website stats, your page views, your traffic, your sessions, your maybe a visitor number, or your awards, even popular posts. Or you want to have maybe some examples of current sponsors or past sponsors that you've worked with, and the types of things that you can offer to these partners to help get their name out there. You might want to include testimonies of other people that you've worked with. And so while it's not quite a resume for you per se, it is somewhat of a resume for your website as to who you work with and what you can offer that will be of value to these potential partners. So that is what it is and what goes into it, essentially. Next, let's talk about when would I use it? When do I want to use a media kit? When does it come into play? Now, for some of you, you may go years and years and years without ever having to use this. And others of you are going to find that because of your niche or because of your monetization strategy, you're using this right off the bat. And so when would I use it? Well, you want to use it to connect with those brands that you want to work with, first of all. And so you might have this listed as a download on your Work With Me page, or on your public relations or PR page on your website. You might just want to say media kit available upon request and have them email and ask you for that. That's another way to do it. You would send this to someone in response to a sponsorship inquiry. If you get an email that says, hey, we would love to work with you to promote XYZ product through a blog post on your site or through an email to your people, you can respond with your media kit and find out how you can serve that company, or if it's even a good match. You might send it to solicit a partnership with a brand. Maybe it's you pitching a brand rather than them coming to you. You can use your media kit as leverage to show that you're someone worthy of working with, that you have experience, that you have value to offer, that you have new ideas that maybe they haven't thought about using, and you can use that to pitch those brands. You can take it to meetings with prospective sponsors and clients. I usually take a few with me when I go to live events, because you never know who you're going to run into, and when you can hand that to someone, that will be a really good foot in the door towards working with a company. And that's my next point, was take it to trade shows and live events with you, where you know that you have the potential to meet new people and new brands, new potential sponsors and potential partners. And so you can use that kind of, it's more than a business card. It's less than a contract. It gives you a really good, like we said at the beginning, a snapshot of your business, what you do, what your mission and values are, who you serve, and how you serve them. And that is just a really big tool that you can use when you're looking to work with other people. Now, I have a media kit checklist created for you, which you can find at the show notes for the show. So if you're listening on audio, or if you're watching this on YouTube, you want to be sure and go to the show notes and check out the media kit checklist, which is going to walk you through what you need to have in that media kit. All right, and then if you want to go beyond that and you need even more direction, we also have available for you a Media Kit Masterclass, and you can find information about that at bloggingsuccessfully.com/courses, and check out the Media Kit Masterclass, which is going to be essentially a one-day workshop that you can do on your own time that will walk you through step-by-step how to create and design and collect all the information and put together your media kit that will then give you a stepping stone to work with these brands that you want to work with. So if you're listening by audio, thank you so much. We appreciate that. We would love to have you subscribe. If you're watching on YouTube, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel as well so you can get the next episode when it comes out. And again, this has been the For Your Success podcast, and I am Katie Hornor, happy to serve you here. For community and group coaching, be sure and go check out theblogconnection.com and get involved there. And for show notes and links to everything that was mentioned in this show, foryoursuccesspodcast.com.
Thanks for listening to the For Your Success podcast with Katie Hornor, presented by bloggingsuccessfully.com. For show notes and links to the resources mentioned in today's episode, visit www.foryoursuccesspodcast.com.